Hello, welcome to today's lecture. Today we're going to review a message from Lantos from 5 years ago talking about sounds and how they come together to form words. And I selected this because of the message that we read on Sunday, where Lantos introduced the course that we're going to be starting hopefully in October, where he gives us the traces of empty sounds for all 81 seeds, the toes of creation for all 81 seeds. Each of us, many of us have been introduced to the toes of creation through our own inception seed and reflective inception seed when Cindy called and gave us the activation for our whisper of the seeds, the moon seeds. This was the first step that Lantos wanted, for people to be introduced to the toes of creation through their inception and reflective inception seeds, using the moon seeds for this. Then, with the course, there will be a very specific structure, an order in which we receive the sounds and instructions so that we may receive the benefits of these traces of empty sounds of creation, the toes of creation. And this message from 5 years ago is similar. Lantos is actually giving instructions about placing together individual elements to create the tree of Genesis. Many of you already have the tree of Genesis, so this will serve as a reminder for some of the benefits that you receive from the tree of Genesis. Lantos said, "Greetings, dear ones. When we speak about proper placement, we are speaking of the structure of form. Energy generates form. Form arises out of the seed, which is a specific alignment of energy. It is a specific arrangement of energy. It is like the structuring of sound. Words emerge out of the pure energy of vibration. Words are structured through the proper arrangement of the small seeds of sound. It is a proper arrangement of the vibrations which goes to structuring the desired word. The seeds of vibration determine the outcome of the sounds generated. The knowledge is contained in the seed. The direction for the expression is contained in the seed. Knowledge provides the structure of the proper placement according to the desired outcome. The master planter may catch a glimpse of a seed and be able to determine, yes, this seed will take the form of this type of tree. This seed will take the form of the sweet apple type of tree. The other individuals may wonder, what is this? What will this become? Into what form will this simple structure become? This is the knowledge of the proper identification, the knowledge of the identification based on the arrangement, the proper arrangement of the seed structure. If the shape is different, the master planter knows. Oh, this is not the sweet apple tree. This is the bitter lemon tree. According to the structure of the energy, a different form emerges. A specific form emerges. We speak the sounds in a different order, and a different word emerges. It has a whole new meaning. It is the proper arrangement which determines the structure of the form. And here let me interject and say, this is just like the toes of creation. We're given sounds, and the order of those sounds will determine the outcome of the structure, the outcome of what we receive, the benefit that we receive. So with the toes of creation, the elements are simple, sounds, and the order in which we put those sounds together using the song of the spheres. This is how we receive the benefits of the toes of creation. Lantos continued, first we must carefully select the tools. It is like the careful selection of the individual sounds. Then once we have these sounds, knowledge of the arrangement comes along to tell us, yes, put this sound here and this sound there, and there you have it. The desired word is formed. The desired structure is achieved. First, it is the knowledge of the selection of the individual sounds, and then it is the arrangement, or the alignment, of these sounds which generate the desired outcome. In order to structure this desired form, the knowledge must be gained for the careful selection of the proper tools as well as the proper placement, the alignment of these tools. You see, it is this, The knowledge is this aspect of the training of identification and placement. It is a complete knowledge for the structuring of the desired form. It is a complete knowledge for the cultivation of the great tree of Genesis. Yes, very good. It is very good. So, words from 5 years ago that describe what we're doing this coming fall. Placing individual sounds in specific orders, using the Song of the Spheres, and with that we get the enlivenment of the toes of creation, providing great benefits for each person. And again, those of you who have the Song of the Spheres, you have everything you need for this. So the course is going to be a lot of fun and very instructive and give us tremendous benefits. Okay, everyone, have a great rest of your week. I'll speak with you again on Sunday.